Do you like watching Empires and Cocktails every week? Do you like being the coolest cat this side of a Power Rangers lunchbox? Then don't forget to click subscribe right here and ring the bell right here. And then you will be notified every Monday when we post a new video. And now that you've chosen to do the right thing, let us celebrate your wisdom with a victory shot. Today's shot is the Kraken, 94 proof, and no, that does not mean to share with 94 friends. That's fun for one. I don't know about you, but Sir Ricky Bobby needs some rum. Today, we're gonna mix Pina Colada, 1.5 ounces of cream of coconut. 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. 3/4 ounce freshly squeezed lime juice. 2 ounces of a white rum. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. This is a Pina Colada. Today's word of wisdom is choice. In life we are faced with many choices. The choice to follow, the choice to lead, the choice to believe whether those two options really exist. Even when you choose not to decide, you have still made a choice. But when all your options are as good as these, choice becomes challenging. And this is why I want to offer you an alternative decision. A lifeboat in a torrential sea of options. A careful write-in on a ballot too difficult to decide from. I'm giving you the option to have your cake and eat it too. Observe. Can we start over again? I don't know why I screwed that up.